I'm Monica Dunlap, your real estate agent with the Totally About Houses team, Keller Williams. And today we're going to talk about the key professionals you want on your dream team when you're buying a home. So if you're thinking about buying in 2021, take notes because you want to have this team together so you can have a smooth, less stressful, and simpler home buying process, because buying a home can be one of the most exciting moments in your life. So who do you want on this dream team? Well, number one, you want a great real estate agent. The process of purchasing a home will feel less daunting and overwhelming when you work with an experienced and knowledgeable real estate agent. Your agent will be there to represent your best interests and make sure your home buying is as smooth as possible. So when you first meet your agent, you want to be prepared to discuss your goals, priorities, your must-haves, and your deal breakers, and also your financial situation. So something your agent will do is sit down with you and do a buyer consult, which, again, I have one today with a buyer that's looking to purchase here soon. And it's never too soon to get that information and knowledge so you are fully prepared for when you're ready to buy your home. Okay, so a local agent and a great buyer's agent is really knowledgeable on market prices and also knows neighborhoods and will guide you to make sure, again, this is a very smooth process. So the first person on your team is a great real estate agent. And you've got to choose one that you trust and has your best interest at heart. Okay, number two, you want a really good mortgage lender. Now, a real estate agent that you choose can guide you into and let you know some great lenders out there. So if you're going to borrow funds from the form of a mortgage to buy your home, you'll need to carefully choose a lender you'll be working with, especially since there are various types of loans and mortgage lenders out there. Aside from your agent, your lender will be with you during the whole home buying process, and likely for years after the home is purchased, as you pay the loan. So even before you start your house hunting, getting a pre-qualification letter is highly recommended, but also getting a pre-approval makes you a strong buyer. And a lot of times you'll need that in today's market in order to go view homes. So you need to have that unless you're paying cash, okay? So a pre-qualification is an informal way to see how much you'll be able to borrow, which is a great place to start, so you know before what you're able to borrow before you go out and actually start looking for homes. Okay, so if you're ready to buy now, the pre-approval is a big asset when getting into offers and negotiations, especially in today's environment where, we have a lot of multiple offer situations. Okay, so again, I can recommend some great lenders as well, and that makes a big difference. A lot of times as a buyer, you think you go to your bank. However, banks sometimes take a lot longer. We just had a deal where we went with a local bank and it took over 60 days to get it closed. And a lot of times mortgage lenders, that's all they do. They're very good at it and get a house closed within 30 to 40 days. So again, choosing the right lender is very crucial and important to making sure it's a smooth process from start to finish. The next person you're going to want is a home inspector. Another crucial step in the search for your dream home is the home inspection, which is why having a knowledgeable inspector on your team is also important. And this is a big one too, because if you buy a house and your home inspector misses a lot of things, that could be tough, especially when you first get into your house and you're seeing all these things that maybe you have to pay for that the home inspector missed. So having a great home inspector is an important part to have on your team, because depending on the age and condition of your home, you may consider hiring inspectors that will check for mold, lead-based paint, other toxic materials, radon, asbestos, things like that. So that's another person that you want to make sure you have on your team. Another is your home appraiser. So now, don't confuse your home appraiser with the home inspection. The home appraiser determines the value of your property, through an unbiased and professional evaluation called the home appraisal, which is required by lenders before issuing a mortgage. Now, unfortunately, you actually can't choose your appraiser. The appraiser is chosen randomly through your mortgage person. So just to keep everything fair and unbiased. So that's just a home appraiser will be going out there, but again, you won't have any choice on which appraiser you get. The next part is your title company and real estate attorney. This is who is going to prepare the deed, make sure there's no liens and everything's good, and this is where you actually do your closing. So a lot of times your real estate agent will help you with a great real estate attorney, title company that they work with a lot and trust and does a great job. So, and of course, the last thing is a home insurance agent. So you definitely want to get financial protection from one of your biggest purchases. That's the need to purchase home insurance, and that's required anyway with a mortgage. And required anyway. So with a home insurance, a lot of times you may already have an insurance company for your car or renter's insurance, and you can always go with that company that you currently have, but it also doesn't hurt to get quotes. I know a few great home insurance agents that have actually saved me thousands of dollars. So that's something to look at, because the great thing when you purchase a home, a lot of times you get to bundle your home and car insurance that saves you money. So it's great to have a great insurance agent on your team so that you can save a lot of money. So I hope that helps. I mean, it's really important when you're looking to buy a home that you have a great team behind you, because it is a huge process, one of the biggest financial decisions you're going to have to make in your lifetime, and you want to make sure it's smooth. So having a great team behind you is definitely the way to go. If you have any questions, please call, text, email me anytime. And as always, hope everybody has a fantastic week, and talk to you next week. Bye.